From wild meltdowns recorded live to high-stakes trades gone wrong, these are times when traders lost everything on live. We begin with Chansey 1979, an infamous example of how punishing 10-second graphs could be back in the day.
Okay, I just launched some AMRN right here, off of this support right here. Bounced up a little bit, past this 50-period moving average. Good thing this chance, good chance this thing can go.
Here, Chansey explains his thought process behind purchasing the shares. As you can see from the graph, Amarin Corpet had started to rise after being at a low point. The support he mentions is just an imaginary floor for the stock price or the minimum nearby value of the share in the graph. Here, it is $16.
Maybe make a nice little chunk, launch 1,000 shares, see what happens with this thing.
And with that initial analysis, he is willing to go all in with 1,000 shares. Remember, at so many shares, a $1 drop would mean a $1,000 loss.
So, come on, just keep on moving. Come on, man.
Chansey was confident in the graph, until this happened.
Here, so, maybe you'll hang on to this 16 area, bounce back up. Come on. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, dude. What the fuck? I just lost $1,500. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Oh, no.
While Chansey reacted terribly to this loss by freaking out, the next trader, Meir Barak, managed to keep a calm composure despite losing tens of thousands of dollars. Meir Barak begins by trying to take advantage of a gap up. What is a gap up? It's just a fancy way of saying the stock opened higher than it closed the previous day. In theory, this breakaway makes stockholders sell to lock in profits, creating a short window to buy the dip before the price rises again.
9, and it's up now, but it's extremely dangerous because it's the first few minutes of the trading session and I don't know which direction Tesla's gonna pick, but as you can see, I'm already up 10 grand and it's looking good.
So far, so good. $10,000 profit, a dream for most. He takes a break to check in on a different trade, and when he returns, disaster awaits.
It just failed to move higher and it's getting back to the lows where I should have my stop. I'm getting ready to stop it. I'm already down $14,000. That's very bad.
Trading is unpredictable. A 10K profit can quickly turn into a 16K loss.
That's very bad. I need to see it stopping just a bit, relaxing a bit. Oh, what a spike down. I do not move out on spikes. Look at that. That's terrible. $27,000 down. The case with Tesla is that it's strong today. I'm looking at the daily. Tesla should move up today, but I'm down 33,000. This is terrible.
But it gets worse, and the stock rushes downwards, breaking the stop. Traders watching this probably felt their accounts age 10 years in 10 seconds.
It spiked down. I do not move out on spikes.
That's rough. This trader does not move out on spikes, but he is down 33,000. You don't get to see this level of aggression every day.
It is moving down, just close the gap. I expect it to stop somewhere around here because when the stock is moving down, closing the gap, at many times it would find its support right over there at the point where it closes the gap, and this should be it right here.
The same concept of support applies, but will the price stop?
And again, the market started down a bit, but I'm looking at the daily of the market. I expect the market to move higher. I expect Tesla to move higher today. I hope I'm not mistaken here. It just spiked down. I do not move out on spikes, although I'm starting to feel sorry about this one. Down $35,000. Oh my god, this is terrible.
Having emotional control while trading is key, which Meir Barak certainly showed in the last clip. However, he's not the only one to react calmly to loss. This next clip is a streamer hilariously managing to make the worst possible decisions at every turn. He placed his order to be filled at 520, planning a short position where he would bet on the price's fall. But he misses the trade.
I'd like to see BLNK kind of work itself back up here a little bit. See if we can get filled here at 520. Having some trouble there at the 524. Wow, there's the drop. Oh, not getting filled there at 520. Oh, that stinks. Oh man, come on now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
He missed the filling of his order by a mere 0.01 increase in price. Unfortunately, his woes are far from an end.
All right, so let's see now if this $5 area turns into a resistance here. So it looks like looking nice. Look for some little pop back up here. Wow. Oh, gotta be kidding me now. 480s now. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my baby Jesus, that 520 entry would have been so beautiful. So beautiful. See if we can get filled here. 6010, not getting filled. Trying to get filled there twice at 610 area, just not getting filled. Ugh, come on now.
You'd think the market would find new ways to be a nuisance for once.
I'm gonna try 500 here at 599 on BLNK. I'm looking for this to pull back down to the 560s. We got 565 so far. Looking for a little bit deeper here. 560. Give me 560, baby. Come on. I want to see BLNK get down there to the 560s. Come on, baby. Get down there. Right here. Come on. 560s. Come on, baby. Drop on me. Get on down there. Get on down there. Things gonna explode there. I'm gonna jump out.
At last, his order is filled. The market drops a little, going in his favor, but then it begins to rise again. The streamer decides to hop out of the trade at 6, fearing an explosion in price.
Oh, now it dropped. Wow. Are you kidding me? Oh! Thought this was gonna break back above $6 right there and just fail. Down there to 565. It was really holding this trend there, holding the EMA. I thought, oh, it's gonna explode again. Oh, you know, seeing this move earlier. Look at that fake out. Total fake out. Wow.
The graph continues to do the opposite of what he expects. As soon as he steps out, it drops again.
All right, got the full fill there. Wow, there's a drop down to 530s. If it pulls back up there, don't want to get out for that loss. I was hoping that 550 area would hold as support. Look at it now, getting crushed.
He never stops missing. He joins the market in a long position at around 5.6, and the market goes the other way. Is this it for Patrick, or is another disaster looming?
Getting crushed. That was a bad idea. Real bad idea. Terrible idea, actually. Watch it, just going down here. Down $200 now. Trying to get some type of pop back up here, but it just does not. Looks like it's about to get halted or something. Getting halted on the down. Oh my god. Worst case scenario right now. Worst case scenario. Oh, worst case scenario. Wow.
And while traders are fighting the volatile market, this next private company is facing a completely different type of challenge. Space. In this clip, Astra Space is about to initiate their first commercial rocket launch. This streamer has a lot of money invested in the company and has his fingers crossed that it goes well.
I am watching live the space launch from Astra, the rocket launch, in hopes of seeing the share price rise along with a successful launch. Maybe it'll be successful, maybe not, but it's going to be fun to see, regardless of the outcome, what my portfolio is going to be doing. It's either going up or going down or staying flat. Can't argue with that.
Tango in the water system.
Kaylee, does that look good to you?
That looks like a successful deluge test.
The people in the chat right here, they're so annoying. They keep wanting to see the girl. They want to see the girl talking more than the rocket. And they keep saying, when moon. I'm pretending that the rocket won't do well. That's the right mentality to have while holding a stock like this. I'm expecting the rocket to crash. There's nothing wrong with having that mentality. I'm long term. Stock's going up though.
Always be prepared for anything. That is stock market gold right there.
Astra's third orbital launch attempt and our first commercial orbital launch.
Going up because it looks like the rocket is going to be launched today. But the real question is, when moon?
Red lead.
Red lead is go.
FTS.
FTS is go.
Delphin.
Delphin is go.
Ether.
Ether is go.
Odin. Inco.
Inco is go.
Ace.
Odin's not go.
The tiniest things can snowball into something big. Still, something. As simple as Odin's not go surely doesn't mean the rocket will crash, right?
Oh, the intensity is big. Hey, I am from India. 30,000 people watching. I have my money on gravity. This would be a good time to sell.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Mission 0. Abort.
Second idle. Abort it.
Looks like an abort was called at T0.
This shows how fast the market reacts to information. It's been 10 seconds and it's already diving. Slowly, more and more people will start to sell.
Everyone standing by for word of the next attempt.
Of the next attempt. Today? Somebody said, did they forget to plug it in? It was Trump's fault.
His ability to stay optimistic while losing thousands of dollars every second is impressive, but all hope isn't lost. Depending on the next attempt, market prices will fluctuate again.
We will hopefully recycle and we will begin our recycled attempt at T-minus 15 minutes at the top of our
Like, yeah.
15 minutes sounds great. Things might be getting back on track after all. Or not.
This is LD on countdown. We're going to scrub for the day. Thank you everybody for following along.
I don't want no scrub. Rocket science is complicated. So tomorrow, it looks like they will be trying to launch the rocket again. I'm glad this stock is dropping from it being scrubbed and not from it blowing up.
That's a great way of looking at things. Glad he's not paying much attention to the $160,000 he just lost. Unlike our next streamer, Trader Tom, who measures every move. Trader Tom is a professional trader. Unfortunately for him, the market doesn't discriminate between beginners and experts when it comes to its unexpectedness.
If the Nasdaq begins to trade above 940, we really should be buyers of it. Because we got an inside bar here. Hit it. Here we go.
He expresses that if the Nasdaq goes above 13,940, he should buy. This is based on the inside bar pattern, where the last candlestick is shorter than the one before it, indicating indecision in the market.
Because we got an inside bar here. Hit it. Here we go. I'm thinking this stop loss might actually be way too tight. I'm in here.
He admits that the stop loss might be way too tight. This is crucial because even a small fluctuation could have terrible implications.
This is what the chart looks like. Let's see if we got any buyers in this area at all. Oh my god, I'm absolutely being hosed today. Not working. Take a miracle not to get stopped out here. Classic. Just went above that bar where I thought we were going to be buyers. Right here. Just went above it. 2-bar reversal, back down again. I got stopped out. Thought, this is it, we're going to break out again. I read that wrong.
He explained well. The graph reversed right at his entry, and the tight stop loss threw him out. Instead of a positive breakout, he was stopped out immediately. At the end of the day, no matter how much you plan or how experienced you are, the market, like life, is full of surprises.